Today we're going to take a look at the GS9000 multi-channel radar with a 50-channel high-frequency array. Let's get it set up. Alright, when setting up your GS9000, there's a few things to note. I typically plug in my antenna cable to either the high frequency or low frequency antenna box, whichever one you're using. Line up your system right here. We unlock our pins for the handle. Get that pulled up. Lock them back in. Once everything's in place, line it up. Get the straps. Take your antenna cable here in the back. Plug it in, snap it in. Next we have the two battery trays. Each of these battery trays will come with a lithium-ion battery bank. You can also buy separate battery banks off Amazon or your local electronics store that will work in there. Lock those in. On button's in the back right here. Turn that on. Blue light's gonna flash, so we need to get 2 lights for each battery bank. Grab your iPad. Take your MA8000. Charging ports are on the bottom as well as the LEMO port. On button's going to be right here. Turn that on. Your serial number will be on the bottom. If you haven't used it before, QR code is here. There's a scan now button in the app. Turn that on. On button. So once you get your GS app opened, you will see inside here we have a few different tabs. So because we see our blue light down here for our battery, we can hit the probe button. We can connect up to our system. The QR code is right inside the handle, but I know that this is system 007, so I'm going to touch the Wi-Fi logo right there. We're going to connect Wi-Fi connection from the iPad down to the radar system. The GPR has a Wi-Fi dongle right inside here. You can screw this off and you can see the dongle, get a replacement as well. We can see our contract type, everything about the system. We can go to position here. I happen to know that this is MA8000 number 127, so I'm going to hit the Bluetooth button. We're going to connect a Bluetooth over to the MA8000 GNSS system. I'm connected. You do have corrections included with the GS9000 for SSR augmentation. I'm going to be using a TopNet account that I have right now, which is just a third-party RTK subscription. Once you're ready, you hit the start button right here. You'll see my subscription is now starting. And top right corner, I already have a fixed position, 20 out of 32 satellites, 0.014 meters of accuracy in 2D, 0.018 meters of accuracy in 3D. So we are fixed and ready to go collect data. We're going to hit the home button, hit the create new here. It's important to try to name your projects something useful. I'm going to call this GS9000 GX2 Bridge Overpass. And this is where we are. Here's our overpass right here. So we're going to be doing a free path scan right here. We're going to put it on standard optimization mode. Scan step, we're going to go every 1 centimeter. In units, I'm going to collect in imperial. All right, so we're ready to collect. We'll get out, we'll get lined up, define our area, and we'll hit the start button. After starting, and to adjust your B scan on the left, 2-finger swipe on the map view. This will open up this scan. Pinch and zoom on the B scan to get it closer. 2-finger swipe up top to close that down, and you're good to go. A nice steady walking speed gives great data. Go for just a slight overlap of your data for the best coverage and best results. Let's take a look at the settings menu. Opening up the settings menu, then going down to advanced options, will open up the Hilbert migration. We can take the slider on the left to shallower as well as deeper and open up the time window a little bit more. Hitting stop twice opens up review mode, where you can pinch and zoom through your whole project, utilize the measured path feature, and move your cuts on the C scan to show accordingly on the B scan. When turning off the Hilbert migration, you can see very thin slices and incredible detail into a bridge deck or substrate, like seen here, live in the field. From the field, you could open up the Share tab and kick out a KML, DXF, shapefile, or screen grab once the project's uploaded. To really unleash the power of your data, we want to bring it into post-processing. If you want to learn more, please reach out. We'll get you a trial and show you everything.